Right, I.T.A.E, we're back. So we're going to Kent to the WT Henley's air raid shelter tunnels. I'll give you a bit of information when we get there, but it's in Kent. Obviously we haven't been about for a few months, life's been crazy, exploring hasn't been possible, but hopefully we'll be back on it again. It's good to see you all again. If I haven't seen you before, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, we'll see you when we get there. Okay, I.T.A.E, we're back. We're here at WT Henley's in Kent. We have heard about this from a friend of mine, Super Pop Bro. Go check him out, his YouTube channel. Thank you for this as well. So basically, these are old World War II air raid shelters. The factory of WT Henley's was constructed and completed by 1906. These tunnels for the air raid shelters for World War II were constructed in 1939. Now these hold thousands of people in the war that were getting bombed. They survived the Blitz and they're still here to this day. The only reason we're here filming them now is because they're being sealed up. They're not going to be here for long. So we're here to document the history of what is left, how it all is, and purely for your enjoyment. You know how we are, people. Anyway, I.T.A.E here. Hope you enjoy the video. Right, people. And they're off. As you can see, the floor is dodgy as anything. Oh shit. There you go, as I said, we go fall over. Should be careful on the floor. So that would have been another one of the entrances. Oh, these big old bloody doors they've got. Still got all the wood fixings for lights, light switches and fixings. Ground sounds a bit hollow now. Another entrance. Where the original cable works would have been. So to come in, wires would have ran up the walls on these hooks. Wires and sewage pipes, I expect. Maybe water pipes. Oh. Oh, looks like it's widening up. So we've got another entrance down here. Do all your old directions. Direction R 326 434. Oh, 109. First aid room. This way. So the ceiling's got a lot higher in here now. Probably wide enough to drive a car down on here. Pretty crazy. So we stopped at a shop to get some food on the way. And I spoke to one of the locals. I was like, do you live here? He's like, yeah. And I was like, so what's this about all the World War II tunnels? He had no idea that there was a tunnel down here. Smoking strictly forbidden. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm shit out of luck. Sorry people, you know what I'm like. I try not to swear, but sometimes it slips out. That's what she said. Over 8 feet. That's what he said. Okay, so now we're getting to a bit deeper. Tunnel 3, section L. Tunnel 3, and centre seats. So that's looking like that would have maybe been old bunk beds with the frame still attached to the walls. I expect the room at the back maybe a toilet. Again, don't hold me to this information, people. It's not necessarily correct. Mad. To all you subscribers and fans, I must admit I have missed you all. I've missed coming underground. You all know it's my favourite pastime. Look, section P, favourite pastime. Oh, looks like we've had fires down here or something. Again, tunnels have got smaller fixings. They're still up in the ceiling. Tunnel 4. Well, we're not actually sure how many tunnels there are. I'm just going deeper and deeper into the maze. Okay. Oh, section K, okay. So it looks like we've reached the back end. Don't know what the numbers mean. Maybe someone can comment. Wonder who that's from. So you can tell we're deep underground. My hearing has gone so funny. All bricked off. I expect the bricked off places will be old entrances to old mines and stuff, because they have literally bricked up in the middle of a tunnel. Intriguing. I wonder why. A woman. And again, so maybe men and women will split, and women's quarters are kept at a different place. I'm not going to say that. I usually would, but I've got to be professional while I'm on YouTube, haven't I? I don't think all of you, my fans are probably, my fans, like I've got fans, subscribers, the people that enjoy the videos. Strange. Your name. Oh, there we go. There's one of the old cellars. Again, not sure why it's all bricked up. The centre seats, this must be the centre stairwell. Loads of these buckets down there. If anybody knows what it is, feel free to comment and let me know. Why does it have the holes in the back? Ooh, got a full conjunction box here. Right people, so there you go. This is into the next section. Back in a second. Okay, so through the hole in the wall, people, and we've come to tunnel 5. So this is the sections that were bricked off on the back end of the other one that we said about. Again, sewer tunnels. Looking like this is another entrance. Yeah, it's just another entrance out, or exit. Depends how you want to put it. So here we are, it's the bricked up sections. You can carry on through to another tunnel down there, which I'm sure we'll make it to. I'm sure we will make it to section C section. Section of the D. And the last bricked up section to section K. Okay people, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to the end tunnel at section E, which is tunnel 6, see if this leads anywhere. Otherwise, this is possibly all there is in here. Obviously I know there's not much in here, you've got all your old like markings and stuff, which is quite interesting to see that these have survived history. The wall was a long time ago. Ooh, it's dripping in here. Ooh. Sorry people, technical difficulties. Okay people, sorry, I'm going to have to finish this video by hand as my old technology's died on me. Keep this side clear. And there we are at the last set of doors, people. So that is the WT tunnels. I can't even think of the name off the top of my head.
Henley.
That's the one, WT Henley. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video, people. I know, like I say, there isn't much here, but it's just a documentation of some cool underground tunnels. Still got the vents in. So yeah, hopefully you've all enjoyed. I shall see you all soon, hopefully in another video. Thanks for watching. You know what to do.